Please close your eyes.
I don't like this.
Jonathan, put your hand in front of his face.
I'm trying to do this.
Oh, man.
What is your forehead?
Oh, God.
Oh my god, you messed it up.
Oh, my God. Oh.
Does it hurt?
This is the stiffest fucking we've ever done. Look, that was his eye with his eye. That was his eye with his eye, man. Oh, man. Oh, God damn. I felt it hit me in the face, and then I reached up and stuck it out of my head.